Hello and welcome. You're watching Trending Tonight with me, Sanket Upadhyay. It's a big day of achievement for sports women in the country. For women in the country, and sports women in particular. It's a Chak De moment, not just for hockey, the hockey team, the women's hockey team, but women across all sports who have done India proud in some capacity or the other. Some have won bronze, some have qualified, the team has qualified for the next contest. Is it, and this is the big question that we are asking, they're shining at the Olympics. Have Indian women athletes finally come out of the shadow and are ready to assume that extremely important position? They were always ready, but perhaps were not taken seriously. If you see that since the year 2000, consistently the medal tally of women in Olympics is increasing. This is a great achievement. Perhaps should this be seen as a realization or a time to realize that it is better to invest in women athletes because you will get the medals you need to make India proud. Not taking the abilities of men away, but India's sportswomen are shining at the Olympics, and these are just 5 examples on your screen right now. From Mirabai Chanu to PV Sindhu to Lovlina to boxing, to Kamalpreet Kaur in discus throw and the women's hockey. They need to be celebrated and their achievements have to be spoken about to inspire many others. Let's first quickly take a look at the journey of the women's hockey team, which was truly a Chak De moment.
Indian women's hockey team entered history books, stunning 3-time Olympic gold medalist Australia to reach the semi-finals for the first time ever. The person behind India's Chak De moment, Gurjeet Kaur, who converted India's lone penalty corner in the 22nd minute, raising her game when it mattered and fulfilling the dream of a billion Indians. One of the most stellar performances coming from Savita Punia. The goalkeeper led the Indian defence. She's being called the Great Wall of India. Punia saved 9 shots at the goal by Australians. The Prime Minister called it historic. Former men's team captain called it the biggest upset in history at this stage of the tournament. And a rather funny exchange between the real coach and the real coach. Sjoerd Mourinho, former Dutch player and current India coach, tweeting, "Sorry family, I coming again later." To which Shah Rukh Khan, who played the team coach in Chak De India, saying, "No problem, just bring some gold on your way back for a billion family members."
हॉकी के हमारे दोनों ही टीम्स ने जो शानदार प्रदर्शन किया है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई, शुभकामनाएं.
Back home celebrations, for it's a day like no other. Most of the players coming from humble backgrounds and fighting all odds to reach where no other Indian women's hockey team has gone before.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਦਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਟੀਵੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਵੀ ਗੁਰਜੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਜਿੱਤ ਗਈ.
ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੀ?
ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਜੀ.
ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਜੀ, ਇੰਨੇ ਪਛੜੇ ਇਲਾਕੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬੱਸ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੋਟਰਸਾਈਕਲ ਤੇ ਮੀਂਹ 'ਚ ਹਨੇਰੀ 'ਚ ਧੀ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੇ, ਖੇਡਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਰਹੇ.
Celebrations also at Captain Rani Rampal's house. The team's talismanic leader is a cart puller's daughter who began playing with a broken hockey stick as her family couldn't afford a new one. She told Humans of Bombay, an online platform, that her father used to earn 80 rupees a day.
अपना भी नाम रोशन किया और सारी इंडिया की नाम रोशन किया उसने, तो सबकी बेटियां ऐसे करें.
They are the giant killers who march on, undaunted, to take on Argentina in the semis on Wednesday. A win there will not only take them to the summit clash, but also ensure India an Olympic medal in women's hockey, something that's never happened before. NNDTV Bureau Report.
All right, and let's first introduce 2 women who would be celebrating this moment because they directly have a lot to do with hockey. We have with us Ms. Mamta Kharab, who's the former captain of the women's hockey team. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us. And Neha Dhyanchand, former captain of the women's hockey team, also the granddaughter of Major Dhyanchand. Thank you very much to the two of you. We'll begin with you, Ms. Mamta. I want to ask you, what does this moment mean? I mean, there were some commentators who said that this is the biggest upset as far as hockey is concerned, women's hockey is concerned at the world stage. What India has achieved is a big international upset. What does this mean for you? मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि ये इसके मायने क्या हैं, इस जीत के मायने क्या है, क्योंकि कुछ कमेंटेटर्स हैं, उनका ये कहना है कि ये दिस इज द बिगेस्ट अपसेट इन वुमेन्स हॉकी.
बिल्कुल मानती हूँ. आज की जो जीत है बहुत बड़ी जीत है, क्योंकि वुमेन हॉकी ने सबसे पहले तो ओलंपिक में क्वालिफाई किया, पूल मैच में अच्छा खेली, क्वार्टर फाइनल जीत गई. बहुत बड़ी विक्ट्री है और हिस्टोरिक विक्ट्री है वुमेन हॉकी के लिए ये. और टीम ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है ग्राउंड में. एक गोल उन्होंने स्कोर करके जो उस गोल को 4 हाफ तक बचाए रखा है. डिफेंस बहुत अच्छी खेली है और सविता की तो जितनी तारीफ करें उतनी कम है. नो पेनल्टी कॉर्नर्स उसने सेव किए हैं डायरेक्ट. तो इससे बड़ी जीत वुमेन हॉकी के लिए नहीं हो सकती.
Ms. Neha, would you agree that this is a big win for the women's hockey team and only up and beyond?
Sir. Yeah, because we had dynamic game today to beat world number 2 Australia, and girls have shown their technical and fitness game today, and outstanding efforts of all players so far.
True. Do stay on with us, the two of you, because I don't know what inspires what. Real inspires real or real inspires real. Maybe Ms. Shilpa Shukla, who was an actor who played the very iconic role of Bindya Nayak in Chak De India, is now also with us. Ms. Shukla, thank you so much. Were you monitoring this match closely? And
yes,
were there
absolutely.
goosebumps as much as they were in that movie?
Yes, we were following the match, and I think the last 15 minutes were like nail-bitingly exciting and thrilling. And oh my God, those last 15 minutes I'll never forget, because I cried, I laughed, I danced, I did everything. Last 1 minute, it was like jeet gaye finally. And of course, I mean, that was the intention with which we made the film, There was nothing else. There was only that thing that drove us to make this film, Chak De India. And after 14 years, when we are getting a glimpse of that victory, words cannot describe how we feel, honestly.
ममता जी, आपके ऊपर अभी कुछ देर में एक जो किरदार निभाया था इस मूवी में, कोमल चौटाला का किरदार, वो आपकी पर्सनालिटी पर आधारित है. तो वो जिन्होंने निभाया था वो भी अभी हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं थोड़ी देर में. मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूं कि आपको लगता है कि अब ये एक इकोसिस्टम बनना बहुत जरूरी है, धीरे धीरे फिल्म बने, लोग बात करें, विमेन इन स्पोर्ट्स, इसको लेकर के एक पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट हो. क्योंकि अगर आप परफॉर्मेंस देखें, अगर हम एकदम इफ वी टॉक इन प्योर टर्म्स, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, जिस तरीके से सन 2000 से विमेन एथलीट्स मेडल लेकर के आ रही हैं, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि इस पर जोर और ज्यादा देना चाहिए? मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं नहीं दिया जा रहा.
नहीं, बिल्कुल देना चाहिए. देखिए, वुमेन्स हर स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं. आप अगर लास्ट ओलंपिक की बात करेंगे, जब भी दो लड़कियों ने ही हिंदुस्तान की लाज रखी थी, और आज के समय में भी मीराबाई चानू है, लवीना है बॉक्सिंग से, और जैसे आज वुमेन हॉकी ने इतना अच्छा किया है. मेरे ख्याल से अब एक और चक दे इंडिया पार्ट 2 बननी चाहिए, और वो सिर्फ वुमेन्स पे बननी चाहिए, क्योंकि लड़कियां बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं.
एंड इट शुड गो बियॉन्ड हॉकी. आपको लगता है हॉकी से ऊपर और स्पोर्ट्स में भी?
हाँ, सब में महिलाओं के ऊपर बननी चाहिए.
वाह, what a nice
totally
proposal.
agree with Mamta. One slogan should be there that बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, and बेटी खिलाओ as well.
खिलाओ, wow, brilliant. Shilpa Shukla, would you like to act in a movie like this? Since you were the team की सबसे experienced खिलाड़ी in the movie Chak De India, Would you like to act in a movie like this, being proposed by two former hockey captains? Shilpa, can you hear me?
Sorry, I couldn't hear the
Yeah,
question.
can you hear me now?
Yes.
No, I'm saying that the two former hockey captains of the women hockey team, Neha Dhyanchand ji as well as Mamta ji, both are proposing that now is the time for Chak De India Part 2 to celebrate women in sports. Can we see you in the lead in a movie?
We should see Mamta in the lead. I must bring it, back to notice कि Mamta जब हमारे साथ चकदे में इंटरैक्ट करती थी, आई कैन नॉट टेल यू, वो जो हिट मैंने सीखा है वो मुझे ममता ने समझाया और सिखाया, और उसके बाद मैं आज तक जब हिट मारती हूँ कभी मिस नहीं होता है.
What hit was
So
it?
they are the real heroes. हमारी सारी इंस्पिरेशन उनसे आई है. And of course women are leading. We should be encouraging women to play sport. और आज जैसे कि कमेंट्री में बोला गया कि it is history blossoming, and हमारे जो परिवार हैं, फैमिलीज हैं, अब वो समय आ गया, एंड वी होप कि अब देख के आज की परफॉर्मेंस और आगे की परफॉर्मेंसेस देखकर हिंदुस्तान में हॉकी जो हुआ करता था ध्यानचंद के जमाने में, हम मास्टर्स थे भाई, हम मतलब गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट थे, हमारे आगे कोई था नहीं. तो
बिल्कुल शिल्पा, in 1980s Olympic also women team semi-final उस टाइम में 1980 मॉस्को ओलंपिक में semi-final खेली थी, and after 41 years they break this chain.
That excitement was there for everyone to see. We've got
can't express our feelings what we are feeling. Oh, Negi sir, namaste.
And
first of all,
I'm not going to restrict this to only hockey. Meer Ranjan Negi ji, former hockey coach, is now also with us, the real hero of Chak De India. This is like a Chak De India reunion right here. Mr. Negi, first of all, your comments. Was this a spectacular win? I mean, you've seen what real life coach and real life coach are doing on Twitter. They're having a bit of a friendly fight, which is all so pleasant. Mr. Negi.
Absolutely. I think after losing 3 games in the pool, and that too in a very bad way, the way our team came back and made this historic win against Australia. Australia is a team of mighty Australians with all those heights and everything, not lost a single time against India, 3 times Olympic champions. And our team, the way they played today, it was something mind-blowing. It was probably not the same team which had played earlier. They gave their hearts out. They gave everything, whatever they had. And when they came out victorious in the morning, each one of us, everybody who was watching it, they had tears of joy in their eyes.
Mr. Negi, what do you think was driving this team? It's a lot is said about women coming from humble backgrounds, struggling in their daily life, family struggling to make ends meet, and yet, a success story comes out. Do you think that is the driving force? Or that cannot be used as an excuse anymore? I mean, you have to have facilities.
No, but if you start digging into the background of most of these girls who are representing India today, you will find that they have come after braving greatest odds of poverty. Parents being manual workers, no nourishment in their growing up years. But today's win shows all the trump of mind over body. The result to win against all odds. That is what makes this team so very amazing.
Sure, I'm going to come back
to
you.
Proud today to
Mr. Negi, I'm going to come back to you with some bandwidth issue. I'll quickly come back to you. But Ms. Neha Dhyanchand, I want to come to you now, and this is an important issue. Is this something that ails women athletes particularly? The fact that they have to struggle and swim against the tide to achieve what they have to, and perhaps escape the gravity of Jupiter to be able to achieve what they are achieving? Or is this generally the condition of sports apart from cricket in this country? Or have things changed?
Things have been changed. I totally agree with this. The time has changed. Things has been changed. Before in 80s or 90s, we didn't get anything to play. not in hockey, including in all sports. And after 80s, 90s, and after that medal used to come in 98, and after that medal, things were totally got changed. We got more coverage and more benefit. And being a sportsman, I always I'll always want for every sportsman in every event and for every athlete that from government what we get and from
that's a
people
very important
and
point. Why I consider that an
and
important
from-
point, and Shilpa, maybe you may want to weigh in here, but very quickly first, मिस ममता, आपको लगता है ये बहुत एक जरूरी एस्पेक्ट है? अब जैसे आप इन्हीं हॉकी की टीम को देख लीजिए, एक सरकार ने स्पॉन्सर किया है, ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट इज स्पॉन्सरिंग द टीम. इट्स गुड. वी शुड नॉट प्ले स्टेट वर्सेस सेंटर ओवर हियर, बट द पॉइंट इज, आपको लगता है कि अब एक समय आ गया है वेयर मोर एंड मोर पीपल शुड इन्वेस्ट? You should see commercial sense in investing into, women's sports, women athletes.
बिल्कुल इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि देखिए सिर्फ एक स्टेट इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है, उसमें स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है, वो सिर्फ काफी नहीं है, क्योंकि टीम बहुत बड़ी है, वुमेन की भी है, मेन की भी है. उनको इंडिविजुअल उनके स्पॉन्सर्स हैं वो भी आए सामने, उनको इंसेंटिव ड्यूज जो है उनके समय पर मिले, क्योंकि आज के टाइम हॉकी भी बहुत महंगा गेम होता जा रहा है. तो बहुत सी चीजें हैं जो प्लेयर्स को जरूरत है उन चीजों की, तो काफी लोगों के आगे आना पड़ेगा और हर एक स्पोर्ट्स को सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा और उनको भी स्पॉन्सरशिप की आवश्यकता जरूर है.
Now, Ms. Shukla, I want to come to you. Would you say that this character that you played in the movie was among the most, I won't say difficult, but the most challenging in terms, or more demanding, because you were not only representing these characters, but representing the aspirations of many women. Like, for instance, there were many characters here, some characters who had come from the back of beyond of this country, right, from Jharkhand. If I remember the name, one of the characters' name was Suimui Kerketa, if I get that name right. Yeah. So these people who basically gave their everything. The family depended on these women. That go ahead, do whatever you want. I mean, they didn't have a choice. So, do you think that this was a very a difficult character that you had played?
No, I think what our women go through when they are trying to, pursue a sport, and especially a team sport, what they go through, it's nothing compared to what we were trying to achieve as actors, and thanks to Jaideep Sahni for writing that script, because really, it is, that script was written with a vision. And after 14 years, we do get a glimpse of that vision, that possibility of bringing,
exactly. My question was
the
that
glory
only.
back.
Shilpa, the point was not just a character being played, or you attempting to play a character, and this being an entertainment enterprise. Imagine what that movie must have done to thousands of women with dreams.
Absolutely, sir. And I think that is what our motivation was. In fact, Negi sir is here. I must tell you that, every second day he would remind us that hockey players ऐसे होते हैं जो आंख पे पट्टी बांध के अपनी stick पहचानते हैं. That was the time when, we studied so much about Dhyan Chand. It was like, I actually felt like, I could see Dhyan Chand at one point. That was the level of passion with which we, made that film. And that's why that film is timeless in a way, So,
sorry, you were saying something, Neha ji?
जी सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्टिंग शिल्पा. मैं संकेत जी से बोल रही थी कि जो शिल्पा जी ने अभी बात बोली कि नेगी सर ने बताया था जो प्लेयर पट्टी बांध के हॉकी स्टिक पहचान सकता है, ऐसे प्लेयर्स ही रूरल एरिया से उठ के आते हैं, बिकॉज वो स्टार्टिंग ही सिर्फ एक डंडी से खेलना शुरू करते हैं.
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू.
लैक ऑफ बेनिफिट.
जी,
very true. Thank you very much. This was a great conversation. Mr. Negi, would you like to comment something about inspiring more women in sports? Perhaps a bigger contingent next time in Olympics. A bigger women contingent. भाई मेडल ही वही ला रही है तो आप और भेजो ना.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत बढ़िया उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है। मुझे लगता है कि जब चक दे इंडिया रिलीज हुई थी उसके बाद में जो यूफोरिया क्रिएट हुआ था, ठीक उसी तरह का यूफोरिया आज देखने को मिला। और पूरे देश ने जिस तरीके से हॉकी को प्यार दिया, वो प्यार ठीक उसी तरीके से था जिस तरीके से वो चक दे इंडिया रिलीज हुई थी उस दिन। मुझे लगता है कि इसको कैप्चर करना चाहिए। मुझे लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट को बहुत ध्यान देना चाहिए कि हमारे इस स्पोर्ट्स को और आगे किस तरीके से हम लोग लेके जाएं, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान में खिलाड़ी सिर्फ पैदा होते हैं, तैयार नहीं किए जाते हैं। जरूरत है कि हर जगह से अच्छे अच्छे खिलाड़ी तैयार किए जाएं और उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट की तरह, पटनायक जी की तरह और लोग आगे आए।
Other governments should also come forward. Exactly. I mean, our colleague Vimal ji was telling me that sports literacy in this country is an appalling 6%. 6%. And once we change that, a lot of changes will happen. But today is a day of celebration, and thank you very much to the women on this panel and Mr. Negi. You all inspire. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right, joining us now is the person who played Komal Chautala in the movie Chak De India. Her name is Chitrashi Rawat. She's also with us. Chitrashi, thank you so much. When you saw the news of the hockey team qualifying, was it a moment of nostalgia for you? I mean, as someone who played that memorable character, Komal Chautala, based on the life of Miss Mamta?
I woke up with this fantastic news, and the moment I woke up and I was getting calls and, people were messaging me, and I was like, what? Are we in the semi-finals? And I went and I saw the highlights and everything, all the memories of me actually playing hockey in my time, because I'm also a national level hockey player before I did the movie. So for me, I have more of my sentiments attached to it, not because I've done the movie, because it was my dream to actually represent India one day. Because when you start playing hockey or any sport, that is your dream. You want to represent your country. So finally to see that happen, and because one of the girls, Vandana Kacharia, we've done camps together. When we were young and we were preparing ourselves because we wanted to play for India, and to actually see her and culminate that dream and, representing the country and playing and scoring goals. So for me, it was such a proud moment, because through her, through all the girls, I just felt that I was reliving my Chak De moment and my dreams of actually representing the country. So it has been, since morning, it has been a complete, all the time there's goosebumps happening. There's like so much happiness, adrenaline. I don't know, I can't explain that. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful moment that I am, experiencing right now.
And you saw that sweet moment where your coach Kabir Khan, aka Shah Rukh Khan, exchanged friendly fire on Twitter with the present hockey coach.
So amazing, because it's damn cute, because the way he said कि धनतेरस है तो गोल लेकर आना 2nd November तो हो ही गया है, ex Kabir Khan, ex coach. And then the Indian hockey team coach also replied, yeah, the current hockey coach. So I think that's amazing, because we can, why we're feeling the way we are feeling is also because the whole past 1 year has been such a gloom. And this has come like a really good and a happy news. Okay, the girls are killing it out there, and the India का नाम हो रहा है, India का नाम बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है. So it's just that feeling of proudness and कि यार we were part of something very iconic where people can relate to it. Everybody is calling it a Chak De moment because it is somehow goes so well. So it's just amazing.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to do something. What would your character Komal Chautala, this girl from Haryana, say to the girls of what they've achieved in Tokyo?
I would just like to say कि हमारी छोरियां घड़ा काम कर गई बस मेडल लेके आना है, हार के नहीं आना है क्योंकि सुखलाल जी के दही चावल बड़े यहाँ पड़े हैं something of that sort. I just want to congratulate and give Indian women hockey team a lot of power that irrespective of the result वो बस अच्छा खेल के और खूब अच्छा जीत कर आए तो बहुत मजा आएगा.
All right, Chitrisha Rawat, thank you so much. Pleasure talking to you. Well, these are inspiring stories, and these stories must be told with a great amount of excitement. But that's a wrap in this edition of Trending Tonight. News continues on the other side.